Hello, everyone. For your extended definition essay, you will write a 1,500 to 1,700 word research paper using either the word friend or the word family that analyzes the word's historical, social, and or cultural evolution over time. What is an extended definition essay? Well, an extended definition essay is meant to describe a complex term that has significant background and even historical origin. The term should be relatable too. The word friend is an excellent example of such a term, as it's seemingly impossible to explain the concept of friend or friendship briefly or even easily. This gives us room to explore the term by writing a definition essay about it. Your extended definition essay must include the following components: an introductory paragraph that starts out with a sentence or two that hooks your reader. The sentence can be written in the form of a rhetorical question, which is a question that has no easy answers, such as what is the meaning of life? An anecdote, which is a short story from an experience that relates directly back to your thesis statement. Startling statistics, a strong declarative statement, a quotation, or a description. Let's take a look at a few examples of how you can begin your essay. Let's take a look at essay hook examples. Here's an example of an interesting question. What if I told you the Earth has an unlimited amount of energy resources? Here's an example of a strong statement. The Constitution is not a contextual document, but a living document that needs to reflect contemporary America. Here's an example of a quotation. Without courage, wisdom bears no fruit, by B. Gratian. Here's an example of a statistic or a fact. Did you know that space smells like seared steak? After the hook in your introduction, your essay must present 3 to 5 sentences of background information that relates directly back to the main idea of your essay. Background information helps readers determine if you, as a writer, have a basic understanding of the research problem or issue being investigated, and promotes confidence in the overall quality of your paper's findings. Background information should include issues or problems you've noticed, the reasons people should be concerned about these issues, the reasons these issues or problems happen, and should include historical context, current events, and other information you think your readers should know before diving into your thesis statement. After you have presented readers with background information, you must conclude your introductory paragraph with a solid one sentence thesis statement that lists at least 3 and no more than 5 points that you plan to discuss in your essay. I always give students the following formula for thesis statement creation: it is topic plus opinion plus the 3 reasons you feel that way or points you plan to discuss equals your thesis statement. Let's take a look at an example of a thesis statement for an extended definition essay. The word friendship has changed dramatically over the last 20 years because of social media, gaming, and shifting cultural attitudes. The body paragraphs within your essay must start with topic sentences that relate directly back to one of the 3 to 5 points you listed in your thesis statement. Remember, each of those points should be fleshed out in its own separate paragraph. Each of those paragraphs should be presented in the same order in which those points were listed in your thesis statement. Body paragraphs must analyze and elaborate on each of the points you listed in your thesis statement with strong examples, details, and explanations. After you have completed your body paragraphs, you can complete your essay with a strong conclusion that reiterates and or summarizes your thesis statement while giving your readers a sense of finality or closure. After you have completed your conclusion, You must review your essay to make sure that it contains in-text citations that show where you obtained your information. This is extremely important as it will help you to avoid plagiarism. Your essay must also include a properly formatted bibliography based on either APA or MLA format. That means it will be a references page in APA format or a works cited page in MLA format. Please refer to the rubric in your course module for the specific format you should use. And good luck.